Hey everyone, it's Money Plug. Today we're diving deep into the world of print on demand, one of the most accessible ways to start generating cash flow online. No inventory, no upfront costs, just pure profit potential. Now you might be thinking, print on demand is saturated, and yeah, you're not wrong, but here's the thing, it's not about being in the game, it's about being in the right game. That's where picking a profitable niche comes in. So, in this video, we're going to break down the absolute best print-on-demand niches to dominate in 2025. Grab your notebooks, get ready to take some notes, and let's get started. Alright, first up is a niche that's as evergreen as it gets. Pet lovers. People are obsessed with their furry friends and willing to spend big bucks to show it. We're talking personalized dog mugs, cat t-shirts, even those hilarious matching outfits for owners and their pets. The beauty of this niche is the emotional connection. People see their pets as family, and that translates into serious buying power. Plus, the possibilities are endless. You can target different breeds, pet personalities. The sky's the limit. Pet content is huge online. Imagine creating adorable designs that go viral and drive traffic straight to your store. So, if you're looking for a consistent and profitable niche, pet products are a no-brainer. Next up, we've got a niche that's exploding right now, the side hustle. With the rise of remote work and the gig economy, everyone seems to have a side hustle these days. Side hustlers are ambitious, driven, and always looking for ways to level up. They want merch that reflects their hustle, motivates them, and helps them stay organized. We're talking things like entrepreneur fuel coffee mugs, future CEO laptop stickers, planners, journals, you name it. This niche is all about tapping into that entrepreneurial spirit. Get creative, come up with designs that resonate with their aspirations, and watch those sales roll in. Now let's talk about a niche that's near and dear to my heart. Mental health. The stigma around mental health is fading, and people are more open than ever to talking about it and seeking support. People want products that promote self-care, mindfulness, and positive vibes. Think calming designs, inspirational quotes, and products that encourage people to prioritize their well-being. You could create journals for gratitude, yoga mats with uplifting messages, or even apparel with subtle mental health awareness symbols. The key here is to be sensitive, authentic, and create designs that genuinely resonate with people. By creating products that support mental well-being, you can make a difference while building a successful business. Alright, let's face it, remote work is here to stay. The pandemic shook things up, and now millions of people are embracing the work-from-home life. And that means they're investing in their home offices and looking for products that make working from home more comfortable and productive. Think funny coffee mugs for Zoom meetings, ergonomic mouse pads, desk organizers, even those do not disturb signs for when they need to focus. The key is to think about the pain points of remote workers and create products that offer solutions. This niche is booming, and there's a ton of potential for anyone who can tap into the remote work lifestyle. Next up, we've got a niche that's always in high demand: fitness. The fitness industry is massive, and people are always looking for ways to upgrade their workout gear and show off their dedication to a healthy lifestyle. We're talking everything from motivational gym apparel to quirky water bottles, yoga mats, sweat towels, you name it. You can niche down even further by targeting specific types of workouts like yoga, CrossFit, or weightlifting. The possibilities are endless, and there's always something new and trendy popping up in the fitness world. Just remember to create designs that are both stylish and functional, and you'll be sure to attract those fitness fanatics. Last but not least, we have a niche that's more important than ever: eco-friendly products. Consumers are becoming increasingly aware of their environmental impact, and they're actively seeking out sustainable and ethical brands. People are looking for products made from recycled materials, organic cotton apparel, reusable shopping bags, and anything that helps them reduce their carbon footprint. You can even partner with organizations that support environmental causes and donate a portion of your profits. This not only helps the planet, but also gives your brand a feel-good factor that resonates with conscious consumers. If you're passionate about sustainability, this niche offers a fantastic opportunity to make a difference while building a profitable business. So, there you have it. 6 killer print-on-demand niches that are primed for success in 2025 and beyond. Remember, the key is to choose a niche that you're genuinely passionate about and that aligns with your interests. Now, when it comes to choosing the right platform, Redbubble, Etsy, and Shopify are all great options. Experiment with different platforms to see what works best for you and your target market. Most importantly, take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There's no better time to start than right now. So, pick your niche, fire up your design software, and start creating those money-making masterpieces. Until next time, keep hustling, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.